Okay, so I thought I'd quickly race through a few geometry questions just to hopefully show a technique as well as the approach to them. Hopefully the approach is going to be just to dive into it. So here's one. PQRS is a trapezium as shown. Tan RSQ is 5/8 to RSQ, so that's that line. There, tan is opposite and adjacent, so that's the adjacent, that's the opposite. So if that's 5 to 8, then that's 40 to 25. Gotta just draw it as a right angle, that's easier. So that's 25 and that's 40. What is the length of PS in meters? Okay, so I've already got part of PS, 25. I just need to find this. So again, so I can say tan 30 equals opposite 40 over x. The answer's so tan 30 is root 3 over 3. So that's hopefully where that comes from. So bring x over there. Got 3 times 40 divided by root 3. And I can see, well, 3 divided by root 3 is root 3, so that's 40 root 3. So PS will equal 25 plus 40 root 3, which is this one, G. Okay, let's go find another geometry question. For some sort of shapes and angles, like the one that was tricky on the other one. Diagram shows a semicircle of radius 5 units and a triangle. Okay, the triangle has vertices 0, 0, 10, 0, and xy. Okay, is a point on the arc of the semicircle. Which of the following is an expression in terms of x for the area? Okay, so area of the triangle is half base times height. In this case, the base will always be 10, so equals 10, and the height will always be y. 10y, and I need it in terms of x. Okay, so y is going to be on this arc, which means I've got to think of circles. So x minus the center of the circle, that's that one. So x minus that squared plus y minus, well, that's 0. So just y squared equals the radius, which is 5 squared. Okay, so y squared equals 5 squared minus, that's x squared, minus 5 minus 10x, but then it's been taken away, so plus 10x. And then we've got minus 5 squared, which is plus, but then it's being taken away, so minus 5 squared. 5 squared and minus 5 squared cancel. So we got y squared equals 10x minus x squared. So y equals the square root of 10x minus x squared. And my area equals, oh gosh, base is half 5y. Whew. Area equals 5 root 10x minus x squared, which is the first one. Okay, got almost the easiest bit. Half times base, half times 10 is not 10, it's 5. Okay, let's see if there's any others on this one. Just for a geometry style question. Got a nice bit. Nope, that's that. Let's look at another paper. 23. Oh. Okay, WXYZ is a square of side length 1. Okay, WM, so that's WM, that's 1/3. MX is 2/3 then. XN is, what's that, 3/4, leaving 1/4. YP, that's 4/5 and 1/5. And here we've got a side of 1. What is the area of triangle MMP? Well, that triangle looks awful, but these shapes look lovely. So what I can do is work out the area of this triangle. So that's a half times 2/3 times 3/4. 1 times 2 is times 3, so that's 6 over So that's 24, so that's a quarter. And then over here we've got a half, a quarter, and 4/5. So that's 4 over 2 times 4, 8, times that is 40, and that is 1/10. We've got a trapezium, so that's a half times 1/3 plus 1/5 times 1. Okay, so that's a half, 1/3, 15. So that's 5/15 plus 3/15. That's 8/15. So that equals 4/15. Okay, so the area of the square is 1. If I take away those shapes, so there, that triangle's a quarter, take away a 1/10, take away 4/15. That's 1, take away 60, so that would be 15, so 15 over 60 minus 6 over 60 minus 16 over 60, so that's 15, 31, 37, leaving 23 over 60. That's prime as well, so yes, good. Right, so that's that one done. I think pretty okay time, and then let's find that if there's one more. If there maybe, I don't know if there is one. Electricity, that'd be good to look at too, maybe, but let's keep going. Oh, nice circle. Diagram shows a circle with center O. Right, what is the value of x? Okay, well, what I can see is this shape here. It'd be nice if I had that chord there, then I'd have like that makes the same triangle as this one down here, doesn't it? So this would be 55. That's on a straight line, so that's there. That's 90. This would be 35. Okay, so looking over here, this angle here would be 75. From there to there, 40 plus 35, that's 55, and that makes this 50. Then down here, that's 50. This one here will be the 55. This one here will be the 75. Okay, so I'll go for that one. E 75, and I think that's that one. That's the graph one. Okay, hopefully that was just the sort of approach. Just get drawing, and remember, it'll always be a simpler approach than you think. So in this one, you might be like desperately trying to think of a circle theorem, but really it's just two identical triangles. You just had to make the triangle. It often is the root that's easiest, and when you come back onto this one here, you know, the area of the triangle, you might be trying to find all the sides of the triangle or something up here, but actually when you're trying to find an area, you've got these three very simple shapes to take away from it, so you just go straight for it. Anyway, very good luck for tomorrow.